Piggies, piggies, more piggies. Piggies. We got Silver. And Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea! Sweet Pea! Can you turn around? Okay. Big pig, Tucker. Big pig. Hank? Piggly. Piggly and Silver. Mommy and son. And they're fighting. Otis. Big Tucker. And Hank. And Julie's feeding them carrots. She brought them a million carrots. Yummy organic carrots for the pigs she brought. And Joyce. Say hi, Sammy's fans.
Hello, everybody on Sammy's page.
Thank you. All right, guys. We're going to be heading home soon, but we wanted you to see everyone here. Stop fighting.
And those, they sound scary.
Very scary. All right, guys. We'll see you later.